We've seen that multiplication means repeated addition. If I have 2, then I just have 2. If I have 5 times 2, then it's like having 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it's like having 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. But what happens if I have repeated multiplication? Suppose, for example, that I have 2 times 2. That will be 2 plus 2, and that will be that plus that, which is obviously 4. But if I now say 2 times 2 times 2, that will be the 2 plus 2 that I've already got. That's the same as that, because that's the same as that. And so if I'm multiplying these by 2, I will have to have 2 lots of 2 plus 2. So that will mean that I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And that will be 4 plus 4, because each of these 2 plus 2's is the same as these. So I have 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 2. So when I multiply repeatedly, I will go from 2. If I multiply by 2, I will go to 4. If I multiply by 2, I will go to 8. If I multiply by 2, I will go to 16, and then 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, and so on. So repeated multiplication makes the numbers grow very quickly. When we've multiplied by 2 twice, we write it as 2 squared. When we've multiplied by 2 3 times, we write it as 2 cubed, because remember we started with a 2, so each time we're adding 1, adding 1. So when I do it again, I will get 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 7, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 9, 2 to the 10. Each time adding 1. But in this case, every time I add 1, I won't write them all in, yes I will, the number doubles. So repeated multiplication in the case of 2 is like repeated doubling of the number. And this is so important that we have a name for this. If we have 2 to the power, let's say 7, we call this number, we call it a power of 2. the 7th power of